At Utkal University, repeated student requests to repair a broken road were either ignored or denied by the authorities. Fed up, over 50 students, mostly girls, took charge. With tools and construction materials in hand, they began fixing the road themselves at 9 a.m. and the work is still on. While the officials paved the way with excuses, the students paved the actual roads.
As you can see, the road in front of the hostel number 6 and 7 of ladies hostel is not good, and the authorities were not listening to us. We decided to take the matter into our own hands and repair it.
बहुत कादि होचे एवं वर्षा अति जोर रहले से पानी सब जाम हेके एठी रहि जाउची
लोकलोचन को आनिया पई नजर को आनिया पई अन्य छात्र छात्री मान नजर को आनिया पई आज हम समस्त मिसिलु एवं देखुथबे आपण जेंकी नालमाटी प्रथम पकेइछु तापर बाली पडुची एवं इटा डस्ट मध्ये आनी पकोछु आम द्वारा जति संभव आमे रास्ता को परिपूरक करछु बाकी या पर प्रशासन याकू देखि बहुत जीवा पई सुविधा कर दियंते ताले हम भूणी मानन पई मध्ये बहुत भलो होता।